Class 2 Max Chapter 4 Counting in Tens. Chickens and the Clever Fox. Tiklu farmer has many chickens in her farm. One day a clever fox saw these naughty chickens playing around. A lady name is Tiklu farmer, a fox, and they are chickens. Tiklu farmer has many chickens in her farm. One day, a clever fox saw these naughty chickens were playing around. Naughty means tofani. Playing means ramat. Around means aju baju. Next. From that day, she started stealing and eating the chickens every day. A fox, from that day, she started stealing and eating the chicken every day. Tiklu came to know about it. She asked the fox, "Hey, do you eat my chickens?" Tiklu farmer, she came to know about it. She asked a fox, "Do you eat my chickens?" Fox said, "No, dear, I am your friend. How can I eat your chickens?" Fox said, No, I had not eaten your chickens. I am your friend. How can I eat your chickens?" Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening, but the chickens kept moving around here and there. She said, "I will put 10 chickens in one basket and count them. And if I find any of them missing, I will give the fox a tight slap." What Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening. Since chickens were moving here and there, she said she will put 10 chickens in one basket and she will count them every day. If she will find any of them missing, she will give the fox a tight slap. In the morning, she counted her chickens. How many baskets of 10 chickens are there? So in picture there are many baskets. In each basket 10 chickens are there. So let's count how many baskets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 baskets of 10 chickens. How many chickens are there in all? Here there are 5 baskets. In each basket there are 10 chickens. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 50 plus 4, there are 54 chickens. In the evening, she counted the chickens again. There are blank baskets of 10 chickens. So let's count how many baskets of chickens are there. In each basket there are 10 chickens. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 4. Next. There are blanks plus 3 equal to blanks chickens in all. In the picture you can see that there are 4 baskets of chickens. In each basket there are 10 chickens. Let's count 10, 20, 30, 40. and remaining 3, 1, 2, 3 were outside of the baskets. So 40 plus 3 equal to 43 chickens in all. 54 minus blanks and blanks chickens have been eaten by the fox. In morning, the total was 54 chickens. In evening, she counted again. It was 43. So 54 minus 43. So 4 minus 3, it's give 1. 5 minus 4, it's give 1. So answer will be 11 chickens have been eaten by the fox. Next concept, how many are these? Collect sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. He used 10 sticks to make one bundle. A man name is Bhanu. He collects sticks from the jungle and he sells in the market. He collects 10 sticks and make one bundle. 3 bundles have dash sticks. So to make one bundle he used 10 sticks. To make second bundle he used 10 sticks. To make third bundle he used 10 sticks. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 will be the answer. Now how many sticks in all are these? Blank sticks in all. In third picture there are 3 bundles. To make one bundle we use 10 sticks. There are 3 bundles, so it will be 30 sticks. So remaining there are 9 sticks. So 30 plus 9, it gives 39 sticks in all. Next, 4 bundles would have dash sticks. Here 4 bundles are there. It means in one bundle 10 sticks, in second bundle 20 sticks, in third bundle 30 sticks, in fourth bundle 40 sticks. So answer will be 40 sticks. There is a wedding in Malti's house. She is making flower garlands. She used 10 flowers to make one garland. Her name is Malti. In her house there is a wedding. So she is making garland. To make one garland she used 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flowers to make one garland. There are dash flowers in all. To make one garland she used 10 flowers. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 50 plus 8, it gives 58 flowers in all. How many flowers are these? Dash flowers in all. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. It gives 67 flowers in all. How many garlands of 10 flowers each can you make using 21 flowers? Draw them in the space below. So here some space are given. We have to draw a garland with help of 21 flowers. So let's draw. To make one garland we use 10 flowers. To make second garland we use 10 flowers. So total 10 plus 10, 20 flowers. And one flower will be left. Can you see all these pencils? How many are these? If you make a good choice, all this will be yours. A girl named is Leela, a lady, saying to Leela that, can you see all this pencil? How many are these? If she will make a good guess, this all will be yours. Let us help Leela. How many packets of 10 pencils are there? Blanks. So in the picture, there are many packets of pencils. In each packet, there are 10 pencils. Let's count the packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer will be 6 packets. How many pencils are outside the packets? In picture, how many pencils were outside of the packets? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 pencils are outside of the packets. So altogether there are dash pencils. In picture there are 6 packets. In each packets there are 10 pencils. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So total 64 pencils. Kanak likes to collect different kinds of bindi. Her name is Kanak. She likes to collect a different kinds of bindi. In her hand you can see many different kinds of bindis. How many packets does she have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 packets. So how many bindis in all? In one packet there are 10 bindis. So there are total 7 packets. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So total will be 70 bindis in all. Now you draw 10 bindis in different way. So here below there are some space. So here you have to draw 10 bindis in different way. So draw like this. Thank you.